Look, the whole.
Yeah. Mate, it's upstairs.
That looks like it's about. That's a crack.
It's going to come down.
What's happening, guys, and welcome to the Forgotten Spaces Urbex channel. Today myself, Rudi and Andy are in Crawley and we're going to explore this abandoned nursing home. If it's the first time you've come to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like what you see, consider getting yourself some merchandise. Enjoy the explore.
Yet again, another video starts with us walking through the woods. This is like a mega fence round it. Oh, there's a gap in the mega fence. Fancy McGap Gap. Quite big.
Isn't it?
Misleadingly big. Here, Urbex entrance. Thanks, boys.
Tour bus entrance.
And we're in.
There's me, so yeah, let's climb on the roof.
Let's climb up the roof.
You take the kid out of the council estate, mate. You know?
Yeah. Rudi's first day exploring.
Hello.
Alright. It's Pennywinkle. Hello. There's lights on in here.
There is.
There's lights on in here.
Everything's locked up. I don't think there's anyone in here. I can hear a leak.
Where's Ash gone?
I'm here.
In his career. Yeah, there's like, which way do we go?
Well,
Mrs. Mary Scudder.
hang on.
This is
Miss Mary Scudder.
Bless her. God rest her.
so. She might not be dead.
No,
she might have been moved out. What have you got in the bin? They're quite.
This is going to be like every other care home we've done.
Yeah, every room's the same.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's another bathroom.
Yeah. Unless we find a dead old person, I'm not going to be happy with this.
Or a floater.
Or a floater, yeah.
In the toilet, like an OAP floater. Caution. Wet floor.
Is there a poo on the floor? That's a leave.
Is there a poo on the floor? No, it's a lid.
Boring.
Boring.
Bit of scrap iron.
Whoever got this room was kind of like, they got the short end of the stick, didn't they? Because it's a shithole.
Yeah.
He even got a toilet. He's got a piss in the sink.
It's like the most backwards room as well. Oh, it's locked in.
Oh look, we've got little kids' drawings on the wall.
Oh, that's nice. What is that? That looks
It's like a collage of the world's shittest food.
Yeah, that beef is dry as f***.
Isn't it?
If that turned up on my plate, I'd send it back.
So will this connect to the old building at the front?
Absolutely.
Absolute law.
Probably.
Mr. Douglas Wright.
Mr.
Douglas Wright.
Come on down.
I'm scared of the door, you can't touch it, mate. Won't fall off. I reckon I could make something pretty cool these days.
Who's going to take that?
You'll make something sexy with that, wouldn't you?
wouldn't I?
For your missus.
Yeah.
Strap her legs to it like Forrest Gump and make her run up the street. Yeah, look, this is for all the naughty people, isn't it? Like, they get shit rooms. This person didn't even get carpet, look.
I think you'll find this was a bathroom.
Well, where's the bath?
Alright, maybe
Normally in the bathroom, the kind of like pinnacle point of a bathroom is the bath. Hence the name bathroom. It's not
Right.
they don't call it the sink room, do they?
hand basin room.
The hand. Oh, look at you being all to do. Hand basin room. It's a f***ing sink, bro.
I'll tell you what though.
What?
I reckon.
You wouldn't even need it. Look, this plaster's f***ing lovely, mate. Nothing wrong with that plaster. You don't like touching doors, do you, dude?
It's not about the door life.
No.
It smells ranking.
Oh, don't. Let's go in. Who is it, Miss Irene
Ludbrook.
Oh god, he weren't lying.
Oh,
This is the dampest room in the building, isn't it?
Yeah, that's me, isn't it?
yeah.
He's got a funny surname.
Storage. He must be French.
Stick at the front.
I don't want to touch anything.
You did know that they invented this stuff called soap, yeah?
You got any?
Yeah, right there on the wall.
I don't even tells you how.
Yeah, because they're so old that they forgot how to wash their hands.
What am I doing?
Mrs. Jones.
This in my day.
Yeah. Oh, I wonder if there's any thing on the phone. Hello. What is this?
This is medicine cupboard.
Is it? There are medicines in there. What the fuck is what?
Space pot.
Oh, look at that! Oh, you give you a quid to get in that, Ash.
Okay.
It looks like one of those fucking brides you got as a kid.
Yeah. Oh, dude. It's a fucking door. It's got fucking suicide doors on the bar. What the fuck? That's the coolest bath I've ever seen. I want to take this home.
Oh, this is a good one. It's got loads in it.
Look how tired you are. Let's start a fire so Rudi can put it out.
No.
It smells well nice, that stuff. What are you doing? Like, you're like a Ghostbuster, you're spraying for ghosts.
Yeah.
You missed that one. That was huge. Whoa, what the fuck? I think it's empty.
Nice, isn't it? One more.
What is that? That sounds like a person washing something.
That's some Silent Hill shit.
Bro, someone's left the tap on.
And it's like flooded. Let's find it and turn it off.
Hello? It's the police. Come out with your trousers down.
Whoa.
Bro, they flooded the whole place.
Right.
What? Oh, yeah, look. Someone's been living in here.
Whoa. Big hole in the floor.
Man, I'm telling you, this floor is bad. I'm glad this torch is made of metal.
Isn't it? It's car
It's
seats, yeah?
Posh.
It's got a fire extinguisher. Just soaking.
Got metal.
Yeah.
I'm quite interested to see what's going on over
Let's
there.
go and have a look then. I don't want to fall through the floor though.
This is spooky as
Your precarious floor.
No, I'm not about that life.
Oh, that's all right. I don't weigh anything, so.
stairs.
I'd be a bit worried about that floor there.
What, that swimming pool?
Floor's like completely flooded beneath my feet. Look.
I'd like to go and turn whatever's on off.
Yeah, we will, man. Oh, there's a lift.
Don't get in it, it's a swimming pool.
I found the stairs.
Fire thing.
Oh, it's upstairs, you know.
That's coming through the light socket, man.
Is it? It's upstairs, look, because that's why that ceiling.
Go in,
Well.
Ruth.
No!
I'm going in.
The floor.
Yeah, it's a kitchen floor, man. It's concrete, but the whole kitchen's, look at that. Look, the whole.
Yeah. Mate, it's upstairs.
That looks like it's about. That's a
Mate,
crack.
it's going to come down, you know.
That's alright. I'm alright.
Oh, and there's electrical in here and everything. We're going to get electrocuted. How do we turn this water off?
We'll have to go upstairs and do it.
Right, let's go and do it. Rudy's gone.
Hey,
Yeah,
I
there's
love
a
it.
stairs upstairs here.
It's obviously like the main entrance, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in there. Shall I go first, or someone else want to go first? I'll go first. Fucking pussies. Here we go, look. Hold this. I just want to show the viewers.
So we need to find the...
So yeah, that's the source of all the water, and the pipes here are gone. There is a tap on here though, but I'm pretty sure if you turn that tap, water will fly out of that pipe.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Hold this ladder, because it's a little bit wobbly.
It's a little bit wobbly.
This ladder it is. I'm just gonna jump off.
Look at this in here, man.
Whoa,
That one is underwater.
Oh, look.
Might be careful.
This was a staff room, I believe. 'Cause
Must have been, yeah.
there's loads of nurses in here. What's in here, bro? Oh, it's grim in this one. Hey, Pepsi Max, he's my man. Cornflakes, give you a quid.
No.
Right, it's... Want to put your hood up?
No, we really doing that.
Looks like it.
Are we really doing that?
Is it leaking all the way down there?
It goes somewhere.
We've got to go down there. Or you've got to go down.
Oh, it's alright once you get to here.
Right, boys, let me know how it goes, yeah?
You're such a prick. It's like a whole nother section we haven't been in, bro.
Just go and see if we can get somewhere.
There's a door out there.
Someone's sleeping in this bit as well.
Am I coming down or what?
Oh, literally the front door's open.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming down. Oh.
No, there's nothing really down here, mate.
You prick. Front door's open.
Oh, bathroom. A lock on this room. Oh, someone's... Hey, look. Someone's definitely in here. Someone's 100% sleeping in here.
It smells like someone's been smoking here recently.
Yeah.
Lottery ticket. What's that? Sticky in it.
Trimming their pubes up in there. Oh. Fridge. What they got?
Milk.
Sticky manila.
What's that?
Sticky manila.
What's that for?
I have fucking no idea. What is it?
Fish bait.
20 minutes. I don't know.
Yeah, baits.
Well, should we take their lottery ticket? So if they win.
Imagine if it was a winner.
You're like, f you.
Well, he likes combing his hair, doesn't he?
Yeah. EE phone in there. No, that's well, it might be.
Sunglasses. Someone's coming back here, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Why would you sleep in this room when you've got fucking 100 rooms upstairs? towards
Nice
the back,
rooms and all.
that have all got beds in?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
On the flood.
No, you haven't got God's f***ing water next to you. Yeah, we can go out this way. This is back into that f***ing room with a massive fridge.
Oh yeah. Glad we don't have to go back up them stairs.
Yeah, I think... Is there any more to do? I think we've done it all.
Is that it? Are you sure?
Yeah, because we went in there,
no, hang
went
on.
to the end there.
We did go to the end. Didn't
That's the kitchen there.
we? Kitchen.
I'll have another look in there.
Yeah. Messed up. Did we go through there?
No, we didn't go through there.
Oh, we didn't go through there. Is there any in my kitchen what I'm not gonna do? Anything?
Another door. It's just a cupboard. And the door's locked as well.
Oh well.
Oh, Wellington.
Mate, fucking
There's literally out of water, isn't it?
everywhere. Willie!
Made of salt. I just need to have a go with this.
There's gonna be no pressure, is there?
No. It's all on the floor.
Yeah. Pressurising itself out onto the explore.
We never found the source of that flood, did we?
No. What was that?
Yeah, we never went down this way. Speaking of which.
Can't say that.
Well, I just did.
Oh, that caught me so
Oh,
off
what
guard.
way did we come from?
We came in, we haven't been down here yet.
That caught me so off guard. Clown mole man.
Speaking of which.
Hey, look, it's fucking peeing out the fucking side there. They've nicked off the pipe where the bath, where it feeds water into the bath. The bath's full as well.
I bet it is.
How is this building still standing? Whoa! The whole floor's gone here.
Good.
Oh my god, yeah.
Where from?
Look, this whole bit here is just gone. There's nothing here. I can stand here because I don't weigh anything.
I'm good.
Oh,
Just legs either side like that, mate.
Nothing. Oh, hell, there's nothing there.
why would... Look, it's all rotted out. Look. Look there.
Yeah, it's all good.
You. Oh my god.
Whoa, can you hear that?
Oh.
Oh, this room's hanging.
Do we need to go in there?
Well, it's part of the explore, bro. You stay there, bro.
Oh, brilliant. Oh my fucking god.
Oh yeah, this is the other corridor. Come on, mate.
I can't go anywhere.
You'll be alright. Look, put your foot on this.
Yeah, put your foot on there. Look, that's gone.
There
That's
you go.
gone.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Look, honestly, it's not gonna. You're not gonna fall anywhere, mate. It's the ground's like 1 foot below it.
No, are we not on the second floor?
No.
Oh.
You scaredy pussycat.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, that's the loud one, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, mate. You wouldn't think the guy who's got tattoos all over his face doesn't like a little bad smell.
Scared of a bit of air. Guys, that is it for the abandoned care home in Crawley. Thank you very much for tuning in, and thanks very much to Rudi for coming along on this explore. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get yourself a little bit of merchandise, a Forgotten Spaces hoodie or t-shirt, then link is in the description below. We'll see you on another explore. Peace.
Peace.